Hello everyone. So if you want to perform a hard reset on your Vivo X80 Pro, first of all you are to turn off your phone. So hold your power button until your power off menu appears and simply press power off. Now let your phone cool down for a few seconds and let's enter a recovery mode. First of all, we are to enter fast boost mode. So to do that, press your power button and your volume up button simultaneously. Alright, now release it and we entered our fast boost mode. Now navigate through it using volume down and volume up button. So choose recovery mode, press power button to confirm your choice. Give it a few seconds to load up. Alright, here simply press clear data, press clear all data, press OK, and basically that's it. That's how you're doing your reboot. So our data is getting cleared. Press return, go back, and now simply press restart and your phone gonna be restarted as a brand new phone. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.